Chetan, welcome to the Leanpub launch video for Agile Development, a comprehensive guide. I was wondering if you could take a moment to talk to us a little bit about yourself, about your book and what it's about and who it's for.
Yeah, sure. First of all, hi and good morning, guy. And yeah, so let me introduce myself. My name is Chetan Sanghani, and I am having a 12 plus of experience in the IT industry. And I have started my career as a software developer, and then I gradually learning on the agile. And right now, I'm serving as a product manager. Right. So in the meanwhile of journey, like I have promoted to senior software engineer, technical lead, then project manager, and then I have promoted as a product manager. So in the meantime, I have did the lots of certification on the agile side like CSPO, PMI, ASCP, and other agile related stuff like ASM and all this stuff. So actually, I like the agile. Previously, we were working on the waterfall method, but we were facing lots of issues, right? While while we start the development, we are just blindly start the development. We are not thinking the process and all this stuff. We are just blindly start the development, right? But I think before 8 to 9 years, our company hire one Scrum Master and Agile coach to guide us on like how Agile is working and how it is different from the waterfall method. So we gradually starting adopting those Agile methodology, and then we have been form of multiple teams on the agile side, and we have implement lots of processes to complete on how the agile actually work, right? So based on that, like on a gradually after 2 to 3 years, we our company is fully transformed on the agile side. So that is what we have learned on the agile side. And after few years, I started writing the blog on the agile, and like I have given the answer on the questions on forums on the agiles. So one of my colleagues suggests like if you have a good knowledge on the agile, right? Why can't you write the book based on your experience and based on what you have learned till far, like 8 to 9 years, right? So I thought in the January 2024, like I have to like write the book which can help to other developers, managers, scrum masters, product managers who can utilize that book and actually how the agile is working, what tools are using in the agile, what are the methods, what are the patterns, what are the process of the agile. So I have start preparing the content based on the day-to-day life issues. So I have initialized to writing the book, and after 1.5 years of I'm not able to give the dedicated time to write the book. So on daily basis or on the weekend, I am preparing the content. I am writing based on my case studies as well as the past experience. I have started writing the books. What are the agile manifesto? What are the agile methodology? What challenges we are facing in the waterfall? What is the history of the agile? Why agile is born? Right? And what tools are used and what are the methods of agile. So I have preparing all the content, and I have slowly writing the book. And after 1.5 years of the preparation, finally I have complete my book and I will launch it to the Leanpub.
Yeah, well, that's a fantastic story. I always like to hear about authors who sort of, it comes from real world experience, and in your case, transforming a company. That's just fantastic, and that going from waterfall to agile is just the greatest sort of challenge that people can often have, and that you came through it, and you had a blog, and someone told you to write a book about it. Is just a classic kind of Leanpub author story. The book is Agile Development: A Comprehensive Guide. Thank you very much, Chetan, for being on this Leanpub launch video.